This must be a picnic area for boats. There's no houses. They got barbecues. Very nice. I lost her. Hey, you gonna come up? It's nice up here. No. There's a captain's area there. That looks like a picnic area for boats. So you can dock here?
Yeah.
And you
It's a place where you can go and have picnics.
Yeah. That's pretty neat. Look at a little pond in the middle. Oh, that's a... Look at that. They got... This is nice. You park your boat and have a picnic. Huh. Right on an island. There's Lake George there at a town. Can barely see it. The sun's in the way. That's nice. Good idea. Boy, look at that house there. That's a nice house.